Hello brother, okay. Now I show you how to use the testing machine, okay. First we connect the power of the machine, okay. This is the power, and also have a button in back, okay. We turn on the machine, okay. And also the cable connect like this, the tester. Connect the tester like this. Only have two cable, okay. One connect the machine, one connect the tester board. Okay, now after we turn on the machine have many files because have many different cable for choice. Okay, usually for the USB cable we are producing now, we choose the file number 20 number 15. Okay, number 15 is Apple Type-C micro 3-in-1 data cable. This one can almost test all the cables we are producing now. Okay, so now I show you. Okay, now after I choose the number 15, the file. Okay, then we press the button mode, confirm this file. Then we can test the cable. Okay, now we test the iPhone. Okay, the iPhone cable. If we produce the iPhone cable, okay, we press insert the connect like this. This is the iPhone, okay?
Okay.
Here you can see the machine will show the details. The machine is the cable means the cable is okay, okay? Then we test another one. We test the micro, okay? Test the micro cable. Look, this is this side put insert, okay? 拉近这个镜头吧，
Okay.
Then we show we can see the machine will test. Okay, he said okay. Okay, then we test Type-C. We choose. Okay, this is Type-C cable. Okay.
Okay.
Now he will show here. Each have 3 ports. You can insert any port is okay. Okay, like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. So we tag like this. Okay. If we want to testing the C2 iPhone cable, okay, like this one, the copy version, not the original one. Okay, we have to change the tester board. Type-C to iPhone. Okay, we change this part. Then we get this one, Type-C, okay? Put it insert. Then assemble back. Okay, like this. Then we choose the file, okay? We choose the file 25. We press the model, okay? Number 25 or 26. We have to change. We have to check which one is okay for our cable. First, we change 26, okay? 9 volt 2 ampere, okay? Fast charger. We press the button, okay? We use a Type-C to Type-C to iPhone cable, okay? This is the PD cable, okay?
Okay.
Then you can see the cable will show everything details. Okay, we insert another port to check again.
Okay.
So you can see it's very fast to test all the cables.